हेलो बच्चे लोग, हाउ आर यू? टुडे आई हैव कम with the story of Akbar and Birbal. You know, Akbar was a very great emperor and he had 9 gems in his court, and Birbal was also one of them. Birbal was a very witty person. He was highly intellectual, and Birbal had solution for each and every problem. Whenever the emperor Akbar was confused or had any problem or difficulty, he would immediately call upon Birbal, and Birbal would give solution within few minutes. Akbar was very happy with Birbal, but many a times Akbar used to taste Birbal's wittiness. One day, one rich man named Dhaniram came running to Akbar's court, and he started crying and he was sobbing and he was in tears. He said, Jahapna, I have lost everything. Somebody has stolen everything from my home. I have lost gold coins, cash, silver utensils, and all the jewelry also. And nothing is left with me. I don't know who has taken all these things. I am left with nothing. Please help me to find out the thief. Akbar looked at Birbal and he said, Birbal, what can be done? How can we find out the thief? And Birbal asked Dhaniram, Dhaniram, do you have doubt on anybody? And Dhaniram said, yes, my lord, I have doubt on all the workers who are working at my place. So Birbal said, call all of them tomorrow to the court. And next day, Dhaniram came with all the 4 workers who were working at his place. And Birbal said that all of you are working at Dhaniram's place and Dhaniram has doubt on you. Now I have 4 magic sticks with me and I give 1 stick to each of you. And whoever is the real thief and has stolen Dhaniram's valuables, his stick will become 1 inch smaller. And he asked all the 4 workers to sleep in different rooms with one stick which he gave them. Next in the morning, all the 4 workers were called in the court with their stick. And immediately Birbal pointed out at one of the workers and he said, Jahapna, he is the thief and he has stolen all the valuable of Mr. Dhaniram. And immediately that worker, who was the real thief, started begging for forgiveness. He said, Jahapna, please forgive me. I have done a very wrong thing. I have stolen everything. I have broken the trust of my lord. Please forgive me, don't punish me. And Akbar, Dhaniram, and everybody in the court was surprised. And Akbar asked Birbal, Birbal, how did you know that he is the real thief? And Birbal said that the stick I had given was normal stick, and the normal stick I gave to each one of them. But the person who was the real thief thought that his stick would become 1 inch smaller. So he cut the stick, and so his stick has become smaller than other three sticks. And this is the way I have found out the thief. Everybody was very happy and Akbar was also very happy. And he said that Birbal, today also you have passed this test. And you are successful, Birbal. I salute your wittiness. And Dhaniram was very happy. He got all his valuables back from the thief. What do you learn from the story? We learn from the story. Number one, we should not break anybody's trust. We should not steal anything. And whenever there is any problem, any difficulty, then we should use our brain like Birbal. Then we can find the solution. We can solve the problem. Birbal could solve all the problems because he was very witty. He was very intelligent person. But one must use the brain. Did you like the story? Yes? Then children, will you please try to tell this story, narrate this story to your mama or daddy or maybe to your friends? Do try. Okay? And if you like the story, do like, share and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And do remember to press the notification button so as soon as I come with a new story, you immediately get the notification. Until your Dipti Nani comes with a new story, bye. Love you, my children.